How to build unstoppable confidence. It's something you build, and today we're going to guide you through 8 powerful steps to create the kind of confidence that can carry you through any challenge. Step 1, believe in yourself. It all starts with your mindset. Trust that you are capable and that you have everything you need inside you to succeed. The first step to unstoppable confidence is deciding, I can. Step 2, take responsibility. Own your life, your actions, and your choices. Confidence grows when you stop blaming others or circumstances and take control. When you take responsibility, you empower yourself to create change. Step 3, embrace failure as growth. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about showing up, making mistakes, and learning from them. When you fail, don't see it as a setback. See it as an opportunity to learn and grow stronger. Step 4, develop a strong inner dialogue. Your thoughts shape your reality. Change your internal narrative to be positive, supportive, and empowering. Replace self-doubt with affirmations like, I am capable and I am worthy of success. Step 5, set small achievable goals. Confidence is built on action. Break your larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. Each time you accomplish one, you reinforce the belief in yourself. Small wins lead to bigger victories. Step 6, surround yourself with positivity. Your environment plays a huge role in your confidence. Be around people who uplift you, who support your growth, and who push you to become your best self. Let go of negative influences that drain your energy. Step 7, focus on your strengths. Everyone has unique strengths. Instead of focusing on what you lack, start recognizing and celebrating what you excel at. Confidence comes from knowing and owning your value. Step 8, take consistent action. Confidence isn't built in a day. I